Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Today, let's talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. Where do you need to start? But before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe, the little bell icon, share, and like. And I do thank you for supporting me and my channel. Affiliate marketing is probably one of the best ways to make money online. You can also have a Shopify store. You can, which you can sell anything from shirts. You can make your own shirts. You can buy shirts to sell. You can sell products from Amazon, books. The world is endless of ideas that you can start your own business with. But that's why affiliate marketing, I'd say, is probably one of the best out there. It's so flexible. You can do it from anywhere once you get it set up. You can sit on a beach. You can go, if you can travel, whatever you need to do, as long as you've got a laptop or a tablet or the internet, then you can do it. It's probably one of the best. And once you get stuff dialed in, it's pretty, it's pretty much takes care of itself. You just got to tweak it and keep an eye on it. But as far as affiliate marketing, there's no products to keep up with. There's no shipping, no customer service. It's probably one of the best. Like I said before, one of the best ways to start money. But there's other ways to make money online other than affiliate marketing. Like I said, you can always do a Shopify, or maybe you're one of these people who already doing something, maybe on the weekends, whether it's, say, building birdhouses or anything. Whatever you're into, your hobbies, whatever. Maybe you're a personal trainer and you would like to take this to another level to get more clients. You can build a website, advertise. You can do email marketing. There's a lot of things you can do that promote your business. You can use text magic to promote, especially if you're doing, so let's say you're a trainer, like weights and gym and all that stuff. You can send message using text message to your clients using text magic or something like that. That would make it a lot easier. And then you can just set it up and on a schedule and do it. But as far as affiliate marketing, it's awesome. It's probably one of the easiest. And like I said, you can do it anywhere. And if you don't have a niche, maybe you don't know what to do, there's different stuff that you can do. Like you can open up account, click bank, pick something from there. I would recommend, if you already have something that you're really interested in, because it's easier to promote something, especially if you're already maybe doing it. Maybe you're doing it on your 9-to-5 job, different products, but maybe you think you could do it on the side. They would let you to sell different products. You could do that. Maybe if you are into fitness, maybe you want to sell stuff, weight loss products or anything like that. Doesn't matter. Affiliate marketing, you can sell anything. You can do anything with affiliate marketing because it's so flexible. But you're going to need the training. The training's important. You don't want to just dive into this stuff, spend a bunch of money doing something when you're struggling to get it off the ground. So, we offer training. We can give you training, and we can also give you an advisor that's going to help you all the way through the process to teach you how to do affiliate marketing. Then, if you decide you want to get into something else, like maybe the digital stuff, like creating your own products, like your courses, or become an agent where you're helping other people grow their business, we can do that too. we're, we do it all. But you're going to need the right training. Because affiliate marketing, it's not difficult, but but you got to put your time in. It's just like any business. You want to put your time in order to grow it, build that foundation, then so you can take it to the next level. We can show you about how to do the emails. You may be good at writing and you may not. You can go to Fiverr and buy some, or you can do them yourself. I got people that can help you. They're called Hire Writer or Writer Access. They're good with writing, especially on your website. If you need help, creating stuff for your website, they can do that too. But the main thing, one, is to get your mind right. Two, get out of the being employee and become an employer, because now you're trying to grow a business. So you want to get that mindset straight. And the training. You want somebody to help you. You want to get the right information. You don't want to spend all your time looking at all these videos all over through YouTube trying to figure this out. How do I set up my email? How do I build a funnel? We're going to help you with all that. We're going to show you how to do it. That way you can take it to the next level. Then if you're struggling, we'll help you along the way. That's what your advisor's for. And we have a great community that with EntreNation, that all you got to do is reach out and say, hey guys, I'm struggling. How do I do this? How do I do that? Somebody's going to jump right in there then and help you. Then on your calls with your advisor, if it ain't straightened out, then that's what he's going to help you with. But just keep in mind that this affiliate marketing for beginners, it's a piece of cake, but you're going to need the right training. But you're going to need the right mindset. You're going to have to forget all the people who are going to tell you can't do it. And but you just say, hey, I'm going to do it. I'm going to be an entrepreneur. I'm going to start my own business, and this is what I want to do. Once you get that mindset, don't worry about nobody else. You just focus on what you want to do. It doesn't matter what niche, what product, whatever it is you want to sell. We can help you with it. And if you're struggling with that, we can kind of guide you and kind of give you some good ideas about that. So don't worry about it. We're here for you. But just let us know if we can help you. Just if you're ready to get started today and learn about affiliate marketing, and or maybe you already have a business and you're struggling. It's because you just kind of dived in and didn't get the training. Hey, we can help you sort it out. Just click the first link in the description, and we can get started today. And I'll see you next week.